Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. It's Ashley Hale with Level Up English. I hope you're having a good day today. Wait, is it I hope you're having a good day today, or I hope you're having a good day today? Do you know? This is a very common confusion amongst many English speakers, including native speakers. So which one is it? Your or your? Well, today you are in for a treat because I am going to explain 10 common grammar errors experienced by native and non-native speakers around the world. We are going to focus on 10 grammar rules you need to know. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on an English lesson again. And also so you receive notifications for my live lessons. You are also welcome to follow me on Facebook for more English learning content. All my links can be found in the description of this video. If you are wanting to sound better than a native English speaker, then continue watching this video. Let's start with our first rule. Rule number 1. As I mentioned earlier, there is this constant confusion about your and your. So let me break it down for you. Your is a possessive pronoun. It shows possession. Your car, your house, your time, your money, and so on. The word your is the contracted form of you and are. So if you want to know if you should use your, which is you apostrophe re, then practice the sentence in your head without the contraction. Let's look at the sentence from the beginning of this video. I hope having a good day today. If we try your, it becomes I hope you're having a good day today. Or we can try, I hope you are having a good day today. Can you guess which sentence is correct? Number 2, right? I hope you're having a good day today. Or I hope you are having a good day today. Let's try another one. Is this book? Now, should we use your or your? Let's test it out. Is this your book? Possessive pronoun? Your book, a book belonging to you, or is it your book? Is it you are book? Is it you are book? That doesn't really sound right. So immediately we can see that the correct one is it your book? Let's go to our next one. Number 2. This is also very commonly confused by native speakers. Affect versus effect. I think these are also commonly confused because they sound so similar and most native speakers can get away with it. Now, let me show you the difference between the words. Affect is a verb. Depression affects people, or poverty can affect anyone. Now, effect is a noun. The effect of depression on people is sad to watch, or the changes had an immediate effect. And those are the differences between effect and affect. Affect is a verb and effect is a noun. Our third grammar rule for our lesson today is there, and there. All sound so similar, but are completely different. Let's start with there. There is referring to a place or position. The car is there. The kitchen is there. Both sentences give you direction to a place or position. Next we have their, T-H-E-I-R, which refers to ownership. Their hands were dirty, or their new car is beautiful. Both these sentences refer to things belonging to someone. And the last one is their, which is a contraction for they and are. They're crazy, or they're exhausted. This becomes they are crazy or they are exhausted. Our fourth grammar rule is lose and loose. Now, when do you know when to use lose, L-O-S-E, or loose, L-O-O-S-E? So lose is a verb which has two meanings, and it means unable to find. Example, I might lose my car keys at the beach. And the second meaning of lose is to fail. I don't like to lose at tennis. Now, loose is an adjective, and it means that something is not tightly fitted. Example, my t-shirt is loose, or my watch is loose. However, it can also be used as a verb, and as a verb it means to release. Release the dogs, or let the dogs loose. Our fifth grammar rule for today is the difference between it's and its. Now, it with apostrophe S is a contraction for it is or it has. In a sentence, we can say, it's a beautiful day, which is the same as it is a beautiful day. Whereas its is a possessive pronoun. So in a sentence, we can say, the milk is in its container to show possession. We can see that the container belongs to the milk. Its container. Our sixth rule for today is principle versus principle. Sound the same, right? But one is principle ending in AL and the other is principle ending in LE. Now, principal with AL is talking about a person who ranks the highest. Example, the principal of a school or the principal of an office. And principle with LE is talking about the fundamental truth or standard. Example, I live by certain principles. Number 7 is complement and complement. These also sound the same. The difference can be found in their spellings, where one is I-M-E-N-T and the other ends in E-M-E-N-T. Now, there is a simple way to see the difference between these two words. Let's start with complement, C-O-M-P-L-E-M-E-N-T, which is to add or complete something. Example, the flowers would complement that vase beautifully, or those shoes would complement your dress perfectly. And a compliment with an I, C-O-M-P-L-I-M-E-N-T, is something nice that is said about you or said to you, like you have a nice smile or you speak English well. These are examples of compliments. And our 8th grammar rule for today is then and than. Now remember, than is a comparison word and it is used to compare things together. Example, my car is bigger than your car, or my food tastes better than your food. Whereas then is used when speaking about something relating to time. Example, we are going to the mall and then we will watch a movie. Our 9th rule for our lesson today is fewer versus less. When do we use fewer and when do we use less? It's a simple and quick rule with these words. If you can count it, use fewer. If you cannot count it, then use less. Let's use rice as an uncountable noun and pencil as a countable noun. Let's cook some rice, but we must cook less rice than yesterday or it will be wasted. And using the word fewer, we can say we need to order fewer pencils than last month as we still have pencils in the storeroom. So remember, we use fewer with countable nouns and less with uncountable nouns. And our final one for today is the word literally. I'm sure you hear this word being used all the time, especially among teenagers on TV shows. I literally just died, or I could literally cry right now. Did you know that they're all using the word literally incorrectly? Literally means exactly what you say is true. So example, we can say, I literally just learned 10 grammar rules in this video, but I doubt anyone can honestly say, I literally just died. Okay, so be careful how you use literally. And there you have it, 10 grammar rules to help you improve your English speaking and to sound more native than native English speakers. If you enjoyed this video, then please hit the like button and comment which rule you found the most interesting. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on any new English lessons and so that we can continue learning and growing together. You can also check out my Facebook page and Telegram channel for more exclusive English learning content. The links can be found in the description of this video. Thank you for your time, and this is Ashley Hale with Level Up English signing out. See you next time.